Now the question number 4 we are beginning with. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. If you can see in the book clearly, beta, it is something like this. This is a cuboidal thing, and then there are depressions being made. Do you understand the meaning of depression?
Hole.
Depression.
And hole.
Yes, down. When you are digging out something, जब आप किसी में से कुछ चीज take out कर रहे हो, that is called depression. ठीक है? Depression means to take out something from there. So आपने cuboidal wooden था. Suppose this is your cuboid. Though it is not cuboid, proper cuboid. Suppose this is cuboid, and I am making some conical depressions here. Conical shape. के why cone? Because if you look at the tip of the pen, what shape it is going to be best covered by?
Cone.
देखो,
Ma'am, cone.
it's not a perfect cylinder, no, it's going narrow at the bottom, tip pe. So it's going to be a cone. So if I'm going to make 4 conical depressions here so as to keep my pens, so I'm going to take out some wood, beta. If it is made up of wood, am I going to take out some wood? G?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question is, find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So what will be the volume of the wood in the entire stand? Will that be volume of cuboid? Then
Volume of cuboid
Minus volume of
Minus
cone.
volume of
cuboid.
minus
volume
of
yes, yes.
volume of
So we are going to subtract. When we are taking out some wood, that means we are going to subtract. So we are going to subtract the volume of wood from the 4 conical depressions. So what is
Yes,
the formula? So what is the formula? Formula will be volume of cuboid minus how many times volume of cone?
4 times.
Ma'am, 4
Of
times.
volume of cone.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very
4
good.
times.
We are given the dimensions of the cuboid as 15 by 10 by 3.5. So length is 15, breadth is 10, height is 3.5. The radius of depression is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4. So can we do this, bachche? Easily?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let radius of cone, which is given by R, 0.5 centimeter. Height of cone, which is H, how much it is? 1.4 centimeter. Okay. Take out the last statement from the question itself. The question में पूछा गया, find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So that is how we are going to do. Volume of wood, from the last statement only we are writing. Volume of wood in the entire stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus, beta, I do not have space. That is why I'm writing in the next step. I'm sure there must be enough space in your register to write in one go. Minus volume of 4 cones. Now what is volume of cuboid?
LBH.
LBH.
B into H.
So writing LBH. I have not defined LBH anywhere in the beginning. So I'm going to write it straight away. 15 into 10 into 3.5 centimeter cube. Right? In one go, I have written. Beta, I am not using LBH because I have not defined LBH. Take care of this. Minus 4 times. What is the formula for volume of cone, children?
1 by 3 pi r.
1 by 3
Right. So let us solve it. Now 10 and 3.5. Will the decimal go? 0 और ये डेसिमल हट जाएगा ना बेटा,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because 3.5 can be written as 35 upon 10. So 10 and 10 cancel, in that way also you can do. So it will be just 35. Let us put the values here. Minus 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 into 1.4 into 1.4. Sorry, 0.5 will be 2 times. And outside the bracket, we can always put centimeter cube. Okay? 15 into 25, please.
525.
This one. 7 and 1.4 can be cancelled. What is 4 into 22?
88.
88.
Not even here, I would advise you one thing. Please see. Please see. You have to multiply 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.2. Right? Please understand the calculation. I would say remove the decimal from your mind. From your mind, remove the decimal. What is 5 into 2?
10.
10.
10. And then 10 into 5?
50.
50.
50.
Right? Now count the decimals. Decimal 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimals are there. So 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 places हो गए बेटा decimal के.
Yes, ma'am.
And this decimal is of no use. So it is 0.05
0.05.
centimeter cube. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is what? 88 into 5. 88 into 5 would be 440.
440.
Again the decimal after 2 places. That will make it. Getting my point बेटा. देखो 88 को 5 से multiply करते हैं तो 440 आता है. But it was not 5 but 0.05. So 2 places decimal के. So it will become 4.40, which is equal to 4.4.
4.4.
Bell class is about to get over. Please hurry up. So minus 4.4 upon 3. Now somebody, you can please divide 4.5 by 3. Hurry up. Class is about to get over. Hurry up. 1.
Ma'am, 1.46.
0.466.
So you can mark up to 2 places of decimal. That will be enough. So next it will be equal to. Please subtract.
523.53.
523.34.
No. Okay.